Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to take long screenshot on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Safari browser. Okay, then search on youtube.com. Okay, then back search on AliExpress. Okay, then visit your website. Okay, then tap on power button and volume up button, then press and click screenshot and click on full page. Just click and show your all full page screenshot. Okay, then tap on done and save to photos. Okay, then back home screen and check, click on photos, tap on this screenshot and show take a long screenshot on iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment.